So today we're going to take a look at some leaked images of the parts of the iPhone 10 or iPhone X Plus, whatever you want to call it. This could be from the assembly line, but take it with a grain of salt. But this is what I've got from Slash Gear. Now that Apple is well underway with production of its newest flagship smartphone, the iPhone 10, the big question is if the company will begin offering the device in two different display sizes, like it has for several years with the previous iPhone models. Recent months have seen several reports and rumors about a new iPhone 10 debuting this year with a larger 6.5-inch screen. And now we're seeing the first possible evidence of this plan with the leak claiming to reveal the new display assembly. Well, there you guys have it. This is what the new iPhone 10 or iPhone X Plus, whatever you guys want to call it, this is the latest leak about it. It is a bigger screen and you can obviously see the notch. But if you look closely, we are not sure if this is a real genuine Apple product from the assembly line. But from sources online, everywhere else, Twitter, it seems legit. The user who posted this picture deleted it and the internet somehow saved it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.